and Serena's awesome videos, guys, if you heard me. Today, we are doing another of these cooking shows. Not cupcakes, not cookies, not anything. We are doing pizza. So my mom already, so you guys, I'm trying to teach you how to make pizza. I'm not gonna just show off stuff. You always need a parent by you so they can help you set up the stuff, and for the oven too. You don't want to burn yourself, because you're not an adult. So first of all, we got this rolling pin. You see, guys, to roll the pizza. So that's the first step, to roll the pizza. So let's go. Pizza dough is rolled. That's what my mom told me anyways in the first step. And the second step is the tomato sauce. Thank you, Mommy.
Pizza sauce. When you close this
Oopsies. It's okay if you make mistakes. Spread. I'm spreading the dough, guys. There's still more. Spreading. Takes up a tiny bit. Scoopy. There's none. Guys, I apologize. I'm sorry we missed a step. After you roll the dough with the rolling pin, you have to put it on the pizza pan, because after we have to put it in the oven, so we don't have to waste our time just putting it on. So yeah. So let's keep putting this tomato sauce on. Oh, it's so hard. I have to take all of the pizza sauce. Okay, go. Spread. We have put the pizza sauce on the dough. So now we have to move on to step 3, guys, which is the cheese. That's my favorite, but it's not really my favorite. This one's my favorite, but we gotta put the type of cheese. I think this is enough. Just shatter it, shatter it, shatter it, shatter it, shatter it, shatter it, shatter it. A little bit more, because all of it doesn't. Shatter it, shatter it, shatter it, shatter it, shatter it, shatter it, shatter it. It takes a lot of cheese to put this on, because you need always help, but I don't need help for this cheese because look, it's pretty easy to do. So yeah, shatter it, shatter it. Okay, that's enough cheese. Now we're gonna move on to step 4, which is the pepperonis. I know how many pepperonis. We have put all the cheese on the pizza. So now it's time to move on to step 4, which is the toppings. You can put whatever toppings you want, guys. You could put pepperoni, that's what I like, and peppers, because that's what I want to put on. So now we'll start on this yummy pepperoni. Put it. All pepperonis are supposed to be spreaded, so they don't get squishy. Like people, they always get squishy when they're too close, just like pepperonis. And wait, this goes in there. That's a many pepperonis. Put some more pepperonis. that's enough pepperonis. I think I need a tiny bit more, guys. Always supposed to put it on the whole base, which is called the pizza, but we call it base. So, okay. We finished that. So now it's time for our second topping, which is the green peppers. All green peppers need to be with a pepperoni because it's yummy. And green peppers are healthy on pizza. So good, that's good. Okay. Oh, this is too close to that one. Good. And that one way too close to that one. You have to remember to spread them so they do not get squishy. You see? That looks like enough. And now, guys, we're going to be putting it in the oven. We had to put more pepperonis on the pizza because it had to look delicious. So that's what my mom said. But let's put some more cheese on, obviously. Put some more cheese. Spread it, spread it, spread it on the top. Spread it, spread it, spread it on the top. Spread it, spread it, spread it on the dough. Spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it. Okay, more. Some more till the cheese finishes. Spread it, spread it, spread it on the dough. Spread it, spread it, spread it on the dough. Spread it, spread it, spread it on the dough. Spread it, spread it, spread it on the bowl. Spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it on the dough. And that's enough cheese. Now it's time to put it in the oven, but I need a adult to help me. So, Mommy, can you please come help me and put this in the oven? Guys, the pizza is finished. There's too much cheese on it. I think I put too much cheese, but it looks yummy, yummy, yummy. Delicioso. And I can't wait to eat it. So you should click the subscribe button if you want to see the steps to make the pizza, and then you can make it at home and videotape it to me. So now I can see you making pizza and making you learn. So that's it for the video today. Click the subscribe button to see my steps, and I can't wait to eat. So stay tuned. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Bye! Delicioso!